Hello, this is Mr. Agbamu Idonogrene. In today's video, I want to show you this applet I designed using the GeoGebra Classic software. So it's just a simple applet that explains how to count prime numbers between two numbers, or how to count prime numbers in the intervals of two set of numbers. Like you can see the way the applet is designed now. This is your input box here for the start number. This is the other input box for the end number. Then when you click on this slider and drag it, you will see some set of numbers like the sequence of the numbers from the start number to the end. You will see the prime numbers, then you can count it. You will see some things this slider will show as you move on. Then when you click on prime numbers, it will display all of them out. So let's do a simple demonstration. Let's say, for example, I want to get numbers from 20 to, let's say, 30, for example. So the first number here is 20, and I'll count down to 30. Now, by the time I click on this find prime, nothing is appearing because I've not clicked on the slider for show. By the time you click on the slider for show, you move to the first movement, you will see the numbers now. Numbers from 20 to 30, you see them 20, 21, 22 down to 30. Now, among these numbers, which of them are prime numbers? So continue the slider, move to the next point. You see the prime numbers are 29 and 23. So we started from the largest to the smallest in between this set of numbers. Then, and how many are they? They are just two. If you continue the slider and move again, you will see it will count the number of prime numbers, which are just two. Then finally, what I have in my slider here, you can add the two numbers if you wish. That is 29 plus 23, and that is 52. So sum of prime numbers. So that is all about the applet. Just impute the two numbers you want to find the prime in between. For example, let's take number 70. Let's say 70 to, let's say, 85, for example. I want to know the prime numbers that are in these categories or this set of numbers. Just click on this find prime. See, it has updated itself. So from 70 down to 85, you can see the set of numbers. How many primes do we have there? There are four prime numbers. And what are the prime numbers? 83 is one of them. Starting from this side, from your right to your left, 83 is one of them. 79 is one. Then 73 is another one. Then 71 is another prime number. So with this, you should be able to get prime numbers between set of numbers, between ranges of numbers. It's a good applet you can always use anytime to teach your children in your classroom. To get this applet, you just go to the description of this video, click on the link there and download it or use it anytime you like in your classroom to teach prime numbers. Then finally, before I go, if you have, let me put something like, let's say 1 to, let's say, maybe something 34, and you click on this, you can see the numbers is getting almost to the end of the screen. Let me increase this. Let's say I have something like 40, and you click on this, see it has exceeded the screen level. You can just come to this place, just click on this, come to this place. You can change the font size, you can make it to very small so that all the numbers can appear in case you want to see the range from 1 down to 40. Then what are the prime numbers from 1 to 40? You can see them starting from the biggest from this side, which is 37, down to 2, or you start from your right. 2 is a prime, this is 2. 3 is a prime number, which is 3. 5, just like that. You keep going till you get to the highest prime along this range, 1 to 40, which is 37. And how many are they? There are 12 prime numbers. And if you sum all of them, you will get 197. If you click on this and go back, you can be hiding the ones you don't want to appear. You want the list to appear. These are the list of numbers from 1 to 40. You want only the prime to appear. You move the slider again. So prime numbers, these are the prime numbers. You want to count, so you count it. There are 12 and you can sum them. So this is all about this applet. Just take note of this demonstration. Use this applet anytime in your classroom by clicking on the link I will place in the description of this video. You can get the applet from there. So that is all for now. Thank you for watching this video. Do have a nice day.